Hi, this is Jesse. I'm Gabe, and we're talking about the plant farm in The Martian and how it's actually real technology. And in The Martian, he uses the poop from the station, and he combines it with the soil on Mars. Sorry, and he makes a farm where he grows potatoes inside his hub, and he uses hydrogen and burns it to fuse it with oxygen and make water.
So the science they use is called, they're actually working on it, it's called veggie, and it's, they found out that lettuce is actually the most abundant vegetable to grow in space, so that's what they're using. They use red, blue, and green lights to grow in these little pouches.
Did he grow lettuce?
Actually, he used a potato in the movie, but they're figuring out that lettuce is the best.
Nice. Let's hear it for him. Woohoo! Hello, Sage. This is Mr. Rasmussen. We're in our 4th period chemistry class, and we are looking at the technologies that the Martian used that are currently being developed in NASA. And one of them is this plant farming.
Yeah.
Well, can you tell me a little bit about that?
Well, at the International Space Station, they have like an abundance of food that's resupplied by cargo vehicles, but on Mars, it's going to take 9 months to deliver food, hence needing a reliable food source, so they're going to need to grow crops on Mars. And to do that, we need to use red, blue, and green lights and vegetables as fertilizer.
Vegetables as fertilizer, or we're producing vegetables?
Producing vegetables.
Okay, so what is growing the best for NASA right now?
Lettuce.
Lettuce it is. And it's a purple, romaine-ish type lettuce. Purple. And they got even a name for it. What is that name for it? Something red.
Purple lettuce.
You didn't get that? Somebody look it up right at the bottom. It's called what?
Oh, I was just saying.
What? Red cabbage. It just says red cabbage. It hasn't got any more flair than that, red cabbage. Somebody else look it up. It's got to say something cooler than that. I kind of remember it vaguely. So help me out here. Now, what did the Martian in the movie grow?
I didn't see it, so I don't know.
Who knows? Martian in the movie grows potatoes. What Mr. R wants to grow when he graduates, retires.
Bruh.
Potatoes. Potatoes. Yeah. Potatoes, yes. And he is this Mark Watney, the guy that gets stranded up there, Mark Watney. Say it with me. Mark Watney. He is a botanist. What kind of scientist is that, Alex? Yes, a plant scientist. So he is the best farmer on Mars. He's the only farmer ever. And because once you have cultivated a crop on a planet, you have colonized it. By definition, you have colonized it. So he can say, "In your face, Neil Armstrong," because he now has colonized the planet. Am I getting this pretty well close to right? Sydney, you are the only one that's been seeing it. And I do have tickets for sale, saving you money. I'm making a
best advertisement around
right now. Well, let's hear it for Sage. Woohoo! Anything else?
My name is Jeremiah Gower. I'm Mr. Rasmussen's integrated science 5th period.
I'm Sheldon.
So we're going to be talking about the plant farm up on the Martian. Humans can resupply up there, but it takes up to 9 months for food to get there, so they need to establish a farm.
Humans need to grow crops on Mars. NASA is looking to expand the amount of crops grown on Mars.
Vegetables and stuff grows in what they call pillows. They are small plastic bags with a like a what do you call it? Wicking surface almost. That's it.
So they draw water, water
Yeah, so
into
they draw
them?
water to the plants.
Okay.
Condensation.
Is that it? All right, let's hear it for him.
I'm a farmer on Earth. I can enjoy the nice free oxygen and the carbon dioxide we all give off to the plants.
And I'm a farmer on Mars. It's gonna take me a while to get all this oxygen and everything, get my supplies ready to plant these plants. And if I don't have my supplies in, I'm gonna have to wait 9 months for another supplies, and then all the plants are gonna die and I have to start over. Dang it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yay!